pattern making. I already made a sketch. Nagbuhat akong sketch daan para sa atong pattern. So here it is. And I already cut this because I already made one. Nagbuhat ako daan. I already made one, but for the purpose of this tutorial, nagbuhat bago nga sketch. Nagbuhat bago nga pattern para dili mo maglibog. Okay, let's start. So you will need at least a big ruler, but not necessary nga dako jud siya nga ruler. And kani siya nga pattern is measured sa size 32 to 34, like me, size 34. So standard size or size 34. Ako lang ikuha ng details sa sizes kung unsa nga size ang mo fit ani nga pattern. So I made this pattern for myself. So basin dili ta pareha og pattern, basin dili ta pareha og size. Well, in my next video, I will show you how to alter the pattern para sa inyong size. But in this video, magbuhat ta og pattern na para sa size 34. Okay? So first, at least draw a box. Make it straight. So this one is, this side is 20 inches or 20 inches. Okay. Let me see. I also have this side is 20 inches, 20 inches or 50 centimeters. Because kung i-convert is kay naiupan nga dili ka kuha ng inches. So let's convert it. So 50 centimeters. And this side is 9 centimeters. So as I 9 millimeters, so 23. Oh no, this is 23. So this one also is 23. Next, make it a square, 50. Mas dali pag magbuhat ng inaanidaan, guys. So, teaching you how to do that. Oh no. So this one is the bottom part. Sorry, the bottom part is 12. Should be 12 inches. So 12 inches is almost 31 centimeters. So let's see, 31 centimeters. Okay. The other, sorry magtakli. Bisaya English. Gamit ko ani kay magbasod ko sa fixed na ruler or big ruler kay limited akong table space. So let's put on the other details. So this one is 12 or 31 inches, and this one is 50. And for the neck, 4 centimeters. So 4. For the other neck is 10 cm. And here, from there is 17 cm. Oh no, 17 inches. It's around 43. Okay. Now the next part is to connect the dots. Let's put the straight line from here to here. And for this one, we should use a French curve. If you ask me where did I buy this, you can check sa inyong local sewing shop. You just ask for sewing, French curves for sewing. Okay. So it's finished. One is for the for the sleeve. So for the ruffled sleeve. So I guess I would not need to go into details. You can just look at it here. You need to make a straight line of 70 centimeters and then a curve. After 70 centimeters, make a straight line of 5 centimeters on both ends, perpendicular line, and then a curve with its center part at 7 centimeters. So just follow the curve. Okay, this is for the ruffles. So you need 2 of this for both sleeves. And this one is for the bottom. So you need to cut a rectangle shape of 240 centimeters and 20 centimeters. So this is now the bottom. You need to cut 1 of this, cut 2 of this. Okay? And then you need to cut a bias tape. You need to cut a bias tape for the sleeves and for the neckline. So I hope you know what's a bias tape. But if you don't know, it's the diagonal part of a fabric. Diagonal part ni siya, guys. You need to cut it diagonally. So I will teach you how to cut a bias cut later, but you need to cut first your pattern, because this pattern we will cut this into our fabric. So that's it.